This is at Berry Springs, south of Darwin. A rainbow bee eater flying around. They're very colourful, like a kingfisher. Stingrays in the Territory Wildlife Park. Probably 4 foot across, that fella. Now I wouldn't mind one of these at home. As you go in the door up here, a laser picks up your movement and gives you your own private thunderstorm. The weather's turned bad apparently. This is a saltwater crocodile in the aquarium at Territory Wildlife Park. This is a salty skull, give you some idea how big it is. And this is a freshwater crocodile with a longer snout. Looks like a green tree snake. A Gaudian finch. A blue-faced honeyeater. Channel-billed cuckoo. And a spangled drongo. Here we got a couple of red-tailed black cockatoos. And a channel-billed cuckoo.